Sanju Verma is the BJP national spokesperson. Yogi Raj Gade is the Uddhav Sena spokesperson, and Shyam Meka is with us. Now, Yogi Raj Gadeji, this is a very serious development that the petition has been accepted, which means the Honorable Court has seen merit in the allegations of Disha Salian's father. And the allegations of Disha Salian's father are against Aaditya Thackeray. And the court has accepted the petition. It's a very big move. You know that. It's not easy to get a petition, 230 pages, making such serious allegations, accepted in the Honorable Bombay High Court. So running away is no answer for Aditya anymore now. And the petition seeks the custodial interrogation. Means he has to be taken into custody, he has to be arrested, and then he has to be interrogated in custody. I'd like your reaction to this very important development, please.
Firstly, Aaditya Thackeray has come forward and he said since last 5 years, they are trying to defame him. Secondly, the government in Maharashtra, the BJP government is there since last 3 years. In the central government, they are there since the last 10 years. Home Ministry is with them. What are these agencies doing? What is the CBI, SIT doing? Even if the Disha's father has come up now, even if he didn't come forward before, what are these agencies doing? The police, the SIT, the CBI, where are the government agencies all these days? Why does it take 5 years for Disha's father to come forward? It's understood, okay, he must have not come forward before, but what are these agencies doing?
But then why was Kishori Pednekar trying to intimidate the parents of Disha Salian? No, you must look at paragraph 223, where it says there should be a registration of FIR against Aaditya Thackeray, Kishori Pednekar and others for the intimidation of the petitioner and witnesses. Right? And it is said very clearly that Kishori Pednekar and Aaditya Thackeray and others were trying to pressurize Disha Salian's father, and all this happened through your leader, Kishori Pednekar. You realize it's serious or not?
These allegations are in the court.
Sanju.
They will be proven in the court, and once the verdict is out, then only we can give final judgment. Anybody can make allegations on you also right now. That does not make it
no. But was there any communication between? Suppose there are proof which comes out of communication between Riya Chakrabarti and Aaditya Thackeray before or after the murder.
Arnab,
but 5 years, the government, what is the government doing?
No. That if such evidence were to come even 5 years later or 50 years later, it would be important.
That's what is the government doing?
That's
you mean
what
to say
means
the government
what?
is not efficient. They are not doing it efficiently.
Okay.
Or are they working for the Shiv Sena? Or what is the role of the government? Why is the government there? Why are they given the power?
I'd like to bring in Sanju on this. How do you view this? How does the BJP view this, Sanju?
You know, Arnab, first and foremost, many congratulations to you and to Republic. I don't see any mainstream media house discussing the fact that the Bombay High Court has accepted Disha Salian's father, Satish Salian's plea. And if I'm not wrong, I think we are only a few hours or perhaps at worst a few days away from Aaditya Thackeray being brought in for custodial interrogation, because the needle of suspicion clearly points at him with no ifs or buts whatsoever. For everybody out there who's saying कि SIT तो 2 साल पहले से probe कर रही है, SIT ने अभी तक अपना conclusive report या evidence पेश क्यों नहीं किया? So let me tell them that SIT will come up with its conclusive report, as has been corroborated by the MOS Home for Maharashtra, Mr. Yogesh Kadam, in as many words. And he said that the law is equal for all, and Aaditya Thackeray, despite his lineage, will not be spared if found guilty. Point number 3. In an interview to Arnab Goswami, Satish Salian was asked, why is it that after 5 years, he feels that his daughter was gang raped and murdered? Because initially he claimed that it could perhaps have been a suicide or an accident. And he clearly says that the then NVA establishment, the then police constabulary, the then DGP, they all manipulated him into believing that Disha Salian's unfortunate death was perhaps either a suicide or an accident. And I repeat, Satish Salian has every right as the bona fide citizen of this country to change his stance if he feels that his daughter was wrong. And one thing which he has repeated ad nauseum, even when he thought it was an accident or a suicide, he always said, how is it that somebody falls from the 13th or 14th floor of a building?
Yeah.
There are no blood stains on her clothes. There is no injury on her neck, no injury on her head, no injury on her face. So that is one aspect of Satish Salian's statement that has been consistent throughout the last 5 years. The other question that keeps coming back is that कि अभी महाराष्ट्र में आपकी सरकार है, बीजेपी की, फडणवीस चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं, क्योंकि बीजेपी की सरकार है, इसलिए दिशा सालियान and Sushant Singh Rajput's case, which apparently, is linked. We are going to finally see the case being reopened for whatever it is worth, and it will be brought to a logical conclusion. आज यदि उद्धव ठाकरे मुख्यमंत्री बरकरार रहते और आदित्य ठाकरे मिनिस्टर ऑफ हायर एजुकेशन एंड टूरिज्म मिनिस्टर के तौर पर बरकरार रहते, तो आज ये जो डिबेट हो रही है बिटवीन यू, मी, अर्नब, ये होती ही नहीं. आज जो बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट ने सतीश सालियान का प्ली एक्सेप्ट किया है, वो नौबत पहुंचती ही नहीं. So let's be very clear that even the DGP for the longest time when Uddhav Thackeray was the chief minister was a man called Sanjay Pandey. क्या हुआ संजय पांडे?
Aditya.
On the eve of Maharashtra Assembly elections last year, he joined the Congress. तो ये सब मिले हुए हैं. और दिशा सालियन को कैरेक्टर असैसिनेट फिलहाल कौन कर रहे हैं? उद्धव ठाकरे के क्लोज कॉन्फिडेंट अनिल परब. अनिल परब himself is somebody who has very dodgy credentials. So Sanjay Raut or Anil Parab or somebody like a Priyanka Chaturvedi who changes her loyalties at the drop of a hat, if these people are saying that Aditya Thackeray को बीजेपी फंसाने की कोशिश कर रही है, I would just say that is a whole lot of balderdash. And Priyanka Chaturvedi, being a woman, should choose her words with greater discretion. And what does she say? Oh, the Fadnavis government has nothing to showcase by way of governance, so they are digging up old skeletons. No, we are not digging up old skeletons. We are not stirring the hornet's nest. We simply want that Aditya Thackeray, as per the diktat of the Bombay High Court, should be brought in for custodial interrogation, ताकि दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी हो जाए, and then the law will take its course.
Which party is this Priyanka Chaturvedi in?
She was earlier with the Congress, now she is with Uddhav Sena, and I don't know what she will do after her Rajya Sabha term expires, because she is a rolling stone which gathers no moss.
I must agree. But my question is on Ashwini, that to tell Aditya, for Aditya to come and say, Daddy help me, Daddy बचाओ, ये योगीराज ये डैडी बचाओ अप्रोच कब तक चलेगा? कल जो उनके डैडी को बुला के उन्होंने बोला डैडी बचाओ, मेरे बारे में अच्छी बात बोलो, it looks so bad. डायरेक्ट एलिगेशन आदित्य ठाकरे के खिलाफ है, उद्धव ठाकरे के खिलाफ नहीं है.
I don't know where are you,
Arnab, you
I don't know
yourself
from
has
where
been
are you
doing
getting
a
this
media
information,
trial and
Arnab ji?
defamation for Aditya Thackeray.
And,
My dear friend from
if
BJP
you
was
would
telling
see
that
is, he
case
has
on
answered
Aditya
the press,
Thackeray is done
the
because of
question is
BJP is in power. They are telling that court takes action only when BJP is in power. They are hijacking the court also. The way they are telling the story that it is all because of BJP, court has taken in cognizance of the court
Why
and
has
probably
Bombay
allowed
High
it.
Court
What
accepted the
happened?
plea of
What happened for the
Satish Salian?
BJP
Can you
when the
throw
cases
light on
of
that?
Haran Pandya,
Why is Aditya
cases
Thackeray
of
so
cases
cagey?
of
Why is
Justice
Aditya
Loya,
Thackeray so
all those
nervous?
cases BJP
And
will
why
never
is
talk
Priyanka
about.
Chaturvedi
See,
giving
we
clean
should
chits to
stop
Aditya
doing
Thackeray? Who is
media
Priyanka
trial,
Chaturvedi?
and
Is she the
please
personal
understand,
assistant of Aditya
court
Thackeray?
is given the power
she
by the
present
constitution
at the
and not
scene
the
of the
Bharatiya
crime?
Janata Party.
How dare
Stop taking
Sanjay Raut
credits for
character
everything.
assassinate Disha
Stop taking
Salian?
credits for everything.
How
Please
dare
do some
Anil
development
Parab
and talk
and
about it.
Uddhav Thackeray
You will not do any
character
development.
assassinate
Earlier
No,
you were talking about
nobody's
just
trying to take credit, but
Arnab, just
but again, tell me one thing. Tell me, Ashwini, one minute. Tell me one thing. If there is there?
Today, you will have a nice big fat omelette on your face.
No, I think that when a petition is filed like this, they must be backed by some evidence. For example, if they are saying that there are call records and WhatsApp chats which reveal frequent and deep communication between Riya Chakrabarti and Aditya Thackeray, contradicting public claims and directly linking them to the Disha SSR murder, then the telecom records, WhatsApp chats, all these details, Yogiraj Gade, if they come out, they'll be sensational, no?
Arnab,
After that, you'll have to keep him in jail.
It is
I'm asking you, Yogiraj. Pardon
Let
me?
the information come out first.
Okay.
And if this information is with the government agencies since
But
the last 5 years.
were Aditya
what
Thackeray
is
and
the
Riya
government
Chakrabarti
doing?
in touch
Are you
with
trying
each
to say
other?
the government is not efficient?
Were Riya
Why
Chakrabarti
does
and
it take
Aditya
her father
Thackeray in
to
touch
come
with each
ahead?
other?
Why does it take her father to come ahead for this? The government should have done this role. If, whatever the
Sanju.
father says in the court.
Sanju.
The agencies, the
Did
government
Aditya
agencies should have
Thackeray
come up with
attend
this.
that infamous party which culminated in the death of Disha Salian on the 8th of June 2020? Was Aditya Thackeray present
think
at that party, yes
her,
or no?
the
Was
BJP
Sooraj
spokesperson's
Pancholi
network
present,
is
yes
bad.
or no?
I can
Was
barely
Dino
hear
Morea
her.
present, yes or no? Was Disha Salian gang rape, yes or no? Was the police
Is the
manipulated
network down?
by
Because I can
Uddhav
barely hear
Thackeray?
the BJP
Was Satish
spokesperson.
Salian manipulated by Uddhav Thackeray and the police commissioner then in 2020 into believing that Disha Salian's unfortunate murder and gang rape was nothing
think
more
there's
than
an
a
issue of bad
suicide
network.
or perhaps an accident at worst? These are questions that need to be answered.
Yeah.
And let me tell you one thing, that one of the ministers of the Mahayuti, Dhananjay Munde, was asked to resign a few days
Is
back.
there an issue with the network?
Because Caesar's wife
no,
should
no,
be
no,
above
no problem.
suspicion. There was no corroborative evidence against Dhananjay Munde. Yet he was asked to step down because the needle of suspicion pointed towards one of his confidants in the murder of the Panchayat official Santosh Deshmukh. My limited point is that when you are talking of good governance, you have to lead by example, which is exactly what the Fadnavis government and the Mahayuti is doing. Why is Uddhav Thackeray silent? Why is Aditya Thackeray so
hardly hear the
cagey in
BJP
front of press
spokesperson. Is the
officials?
network bad?
He just says, मैंने तो महाराष्ट्रियन
Yeah.
मराठी में बात की है, आप मैंने जो मराठी में कहा है उसको हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट कर लीजिए, आपको पता पड़ जाएगा मैं क्या कहना चाहता था.
No, he's very nervous. You can look at him. He's so shaky. He's so shaky he could cry.
अंग्रेजी में press
He's so
conference
shaky.
करिए.
Yesterday, particularly, if you see the picture when he was standing behind his father, even father is shaky looking there. But if you just see the picture there, he's looking so shaky. Just look at the body language,
There's nothing
shifty,
like that in the
shaky,
picture, Arnab.
very unsure. And I'll tell you one thing. I want you to tell him to face me for 5 minutes on this case. I'll give him-
If you were the judge, I think he would face.
No, I'll give him 5 minutes unedited here.
Arnab is journalist, Arnab is
5 minutes
journalist.
unedited for Aditya Thackeray from me.
Arnab can
To manipulate
understand
the evidence.
body languages.
People would like to see him face me for 5 minutes. As long as he doesn't cry, it's all right. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll have to close it here, but we are keeping a close watch on what happens in this case. Very close watch.